Hello procrastinators and welcome. Today we are making this wooden sign. So the first thing that I did was cut out my words using my Cricut maker. And as you can see, I did a reverse weeding, which means I left the stencil of the words, which normally in some of the other videos that you may have watched of mine, I actually leave the words because I'm going to use them most likely to iron on a shirt or something of that nature. But this process requires that you have the stencil of the words so that you can then paint what you want on your sign. So as you can see, I'm just laying down each of the words, and I did that for, of course, all three. And I did go back, it doesn't show here where I put in the little spot for the E. I am using Martha Stewart's satin paint in this case, and I used the colors Wedding Cake, and then I went back and used some rose gold. So once I put the stencil down where I wanted it, I opened up the wedding cake, as you can see me doing here. Poured a little bit on just a little scrap of the backing for the vinyl, and of course started dabbing the paint onto the stencil. So I do this throughout the whole process, just to give it a good even coat. I kind of kept it that way. Sometimes I don't always keep it even because I want that distressed, like it hasn't been there, hasn't just been put there look. But today I did do a lot, but I did use some sandpaper at the end. So here you see that I'm just dabbing on some rose gold as I'm continuing my process. I didn't wait for the paint to dry. I just immediately put that rose gold on. Once I did that, I removed the stencil, including the little E piece from the word me. So that is what I'm doing now, as you can see. And after the stencil was removed, then I placed my cross. Now the cross, honestly, I got from Hobby Lobby on sale for like $1. So it was 70% off, so I was very happy about that. So I took some E6000 glue and placed it where I wanted it. And you know, while that was drying, I continued the process. And as you can see, I'm just dabbing my fingers in the paint and taking it along the edges. I also take it along the middle of the sign, just to give it even a more kind of worn, distressed type of look. So that is pretty much all you need to do. I did add some, I had some old jewelry pieces, so I added a key at the top because I think the key is to trust in the trust in me sign, and then I added a little flower there. So here is the finished product. It is beautiful. I hope you like this. I hope it was helpful. Please leave me comments if you have any, and always like and subscribe. I'll see you the next time.